Tim Honks is a lying, bad fraud, rat bastard who thinks he can trick us all that his alias is Tom Hanks. In fact, it's always been Tim Honks who's pulling the strings, with financial gains like Toy Story 2. Tim Honks is actually a CIA-programmed robot who was even an Iwo Jima. Also, his high points on Pac-Man is very low. This man has fooled all of you, but sorry, dum-dums, I'm not your average bear. I always knew that Tim Honks was actually Tom Hanks and was only famous for making PUBG. That's it. He was also in Yoshi's Story and even the main character in the rom-com Jim Crow. Who created Fortnite? Epic Games, right? Wrong, dumbasses. Epic is owned by Tencent, who has created the name due to respect of Epic Mickey, who is owned by racist anti-Semite Walt Disney. Disney and Tom Hanks were friends, making him also an anti-Semite. But that's not all. Tencent, the people that own Epic Games, is owned by 15,000 stockholders. If you count Tom Hanks owning 7,500 stocks and Tim Honks owning 7,500 stocks as well, that makes Tom Hanks, aka Tim Honks, aka racist lying Woody ass motherfucker from Toy Story 2. That means he gave the world the equivalent of the plague of AIDS, Fortnite. He thinks he can trick us, but I'm not fooled. I'm telling my mom on him, and he's going to hell and jail. He also said the F word on TV.
Mostly it's swear words, so that's a little bit.
Well, if you say it with an accent like that, they won't sound like swear words.
I want people to buy me fucking book.
We are so sorry. Good morning, America.